Risk. I would say risk, and in that respect, we've got two very obvious risks, and we're going to highlight some of them. So, massive overvaluation in US equities with high concentration of risk and high concentration of capital. And then in Europe, the obvious now extremely obvious thing, which we've been talking about for years, which is that they are going to take Europe to war. And then, of course, the fact that bonds are now blowing out across much of the world, France, UK, etc., etc. Talk of cutting back on all sorts of social obligations to prepare for the war. So all of these things are going to be highly inflationary. They're going to be very problematic for the bond markets, and likely for what are already overvalued equity markets in some of these places. So I see, and the unfortunate reality is that many of our viewers and readers are Western based, and or at least have portions of their capital in the US and European markets, and that's where we see significant risk.
Join Capitalist Exploits Insider now for just $1,499. Save $1,000. Get access to our $360 million portfolios, but hurry, this deal expires very soon. Visit capexploits.com now.